Hi YouTube, I got a new socket set here, and I do a lot of the lesser known stuff, and so I just got this one yesterday and thought I'd do a little video on it. This is a Cougar Pro set, Cougar Pro being the value brand of Wright Tool here in Ohio, and you see it's a going on thing now is a lot of the major tool companies, they do have a cheaper brand. You know, Snap-on has Blue Point, Cornwell has Blue Power, Matco is Silver Eagle, and Mac calls theirs Expert, and Proto has Blackhawk, and so Cougar Pro is Wright Tool's value brand. Wright Tool being local to me, they're usually my first tool choice. And I saw these new style sets popping up at some of my favorite sellers. They now come in this plastic case where these used to come in metal cases. And so saw this and jumped on it. So we'll take a look at the front here. See, this is the set A36. This is a 3/8 drive metric set. You know, I have no use for SAE tools. And when I first got this, it says, you can see that there, focus, it says SAE. That, you know, I got scared for a second, but it is indeed metric. It's 7 through 19 millimeter with no skips. And take a look at the back of the case. Yes, made in Taiwan. I do like this case. It has actual metal here in the hinges, and the hat has nice hasp on it as well. And real nice positive locks on these. So we'll open it up. Here's the top. Yep. Lifetime warranty. Set number A36. There's everything you get in it. Now you got the standard styrofoam that they cover it up with there, and here are the actual tools. Got a 3/8 breaker bar and a 3/8 drive quick release ratchet. Now the uncommon thing I'm going to say with this ratchet is this is a 60 tooth design. Almost everything sourced out of Taiwan now seems to be 72 teeth, but this one has 60, so I don't know who they're sourcing these from. Nice smooth action though. Moderate back drag. Great knurling on the handle there. And you get a 6-inch extension and a 3-inch extension. And the 5/8 spark plug. Pull one of the sockets out so you can see the broaching. drive side, see it has detents on all four sides. And nice deep markings. Of course, 6-point drive, it's always my favorite to use. So, as a little comparison, also, this is my DeWalt. This is also manufactured in Taiwan. I just thought I would do it as kind of a, little comparison here. I do like the knurling on the DeWalt. Give you a little extra grip there. Drive side of the DeWalt. Also detents all four drive sides. Good markings on the DeWalt as well. And finally, here's a genuine Wright 17mm. You can see Wrights are manufactured USA. 6-point drive. And we'll put all three of them. This Cougar, DeWalt, Wright. And just for the heck of it, I do have a scale here. We'll weigh them and see what they all weigh. Start with the Cougar Pro. .1 ounces for the Cougar Pro. Next will be the DeWalt. 2 ounces on the correct. That's actually the Wright. I'm sorry. 2 ounces on the Wright. And finally the DeWalt. 1.9 ounces. I don't think weight really proves anything. I'd use any three of these. No questions asked. And I did purchase my set on Amazon. They also, Ohio Power Tool offers this same kit. And I also looked on Harry J. Epstein's. And they do have some of the Cougar kits, but not this specific metric set. So I'm about to put this to use today. I am going to try it out on a bike I'm working on. And if there's any problems with it, I will report back. But otherwise, no news is good news. That's it, and thanks for watching.